And we back again with another round. Make sure you come check out the page. Check out um, everything I'm uploading. I'm surprised nobody wanted to come in as Connie. I don't know how this match gonna go. No, hopefully it's decent. Oh no, this might be a GG. Damn, my character's tired, man. I ain't got no stamina left. Oh, that's GG. Golly! There's nothing I can do here. Yep, he probably cut me off. Run, 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 run. Oh, he hit me. And I'm finna pass out. That's GG. God damn it. The thing with playing, I don't know, man. I feel like people need to open doors. A lot of times they open one door and they try to rush. Just open. I think everybody should open at least like one or two doors before they try to take off. Oh, oh, hello. So I'm guessing there's nothing in here. All right. So nobody's up here yet.
Okay, let's see where this goes.
So I'm gonna go.
I can get
Come
through.
around here. Can I open up? Wait, what? I don't have a thing going on. The hell? Too early. Unlock a couple doors first.
Hey,
Okay, somebody right there. No, 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 let me get in.
come here.
Okay, so they ran up. I'm gonna go up. I'm scared. Okay, that's not good. Cook, stop. I'm gonna go straight through here. Open that.
These people.
There you go.
Okay.
And I'm gonna go right back. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. See? Why is this not open? So I cracked that back lock, which should help.
What's that?
I'm thinking if I should go open the front lock, if I can try. But I'm almost certain that we gotta... Okay. No. Did you DC, bro? Stop. And you blocking the... Oh my god. I hate you.
You better not be messing with Grandpa.
Oh.
If you just listen, I wouldn't have to do this.
Oh, somebody outside. Perfect. Oh my god, why are you still here?
So much a joker.
Think. Just look around, Connie. Oh no, they're back. Stay quiet.
Open this up.
Okay. Okay. You got this.
I think somebody coming behind me. Oh, did he see? Hello. I'm gonna take that.
This is antiseptic. Should clean the wound.
Wow, pressure gate open.
Just go away.
Shit.
Damn it.
I think they're gone.
I can't get away. Think.
Oh my god! Leave me alone. Heal up. They doing a good job at Okay, so it's two of us left. which means I might not make it. I'm gonna climb up.
Light's still being over. We're too close.
Bitch saw me. Good Lord. Oh, look, the door's closed.
I need something for this wound. It's getting worse. Someone, please.
Wow! Oh my god. Okay. Oh, this is a gas station.
Slow down. I need to stay quiet. Danny, we gotta do something.
Oh my god. Come on.
Oh, that looks helpful. Hey, what's that?
See if I can open this.
Here we go.
Gotta stay quiet.
Make a great lockpick.
Don't want them to know where you really at.
Open doors with this.
Too loud.
Come on, damn it, come on.
Yeah, let me hit this big dog.
I need to get this open.
Constant running around is getting a little tiresome now.
Watch out. I see one.
There's things in this house.
Johnny, eat my nuts.
This'll do nicely.
I'm gonna pass out. Oh, where'd it go?
I can't die today. Oh, God.
There it is, baby.
I gotta get